Student, in next period we have seen the preparation of ethers. Now the physical properties are there. Physical properties are very simple. See their physical states, boiling point, polarity, solubility. It is very easy point, you learn it. Main important is the chemical properties of ethers. First is laboratory test for ether. Ether is ROR. Ether is neutral compound in aqueous medium. ROR. This linkage is strong, hence they are less reactive. So, this ether simple as well as mixed, not react with base, called dilute acid, oxidizing, reducing agent or active metal. Means reactivity of ether is less. But when we take this ether and dissolve in concentrated H2SO4, it form oxonium salt. H2SO4 fragment H plus HSO4 minus. This H attack on O. From this H plus attack on O, this form oxonium salt. Oxygen is a divalent, but here it is a trivalent, so it acquire positive charge. This is known as an oxonium ion. Oxygen acquire positive charge called as oxonium salt. This is an important property of ether which is not shown by other hydrocarbons. Means when the question is what is the distinguishing reaction for hydrocarbon and ether? Formation of oxonium salt when ether react with H2SO4. Now, either ether is less reactive, it shows a certain reaction. Next reaction, where alkyl group of ether react, R group of ether react. In that first reaction is formation of peroxide. Now we see how the peroxide formation take place. When we take ether, simple as well as mixed, here this is a simple ether, two alkyl group are same, ethyl, diethyl ether. Treated with atmospheric oxygen for longer time, it results into formation of this peroxide. We know that peroxide means H2O2. H2O2. In that H2, one hydrogen is replaced by this group, and this is the peroxide. This peroxide is dangerous because it decomposes at high temperature. The next reaction involving CO bond in ether, CO bond when break that reaction. When we take the ether treated with dilute H2SO4, this reaction is known as a hydrolysis. Actually, water is added. Hydrolysis means addition of H2, and catalyst is dilute sulfuric acid. H3O plus means H2O is real added, that 1H plus from dilute sulfuric acid, which is act as a catalyst. Instead of writing dilute H2SO4, may be written as H3O plus. Meaning of this is acid hydrolysis. When we take the ether, acid hydrolyzed, it form the alcohol. How the reaction take place here? The bond is breaking here. Water have fragment H plus OH. This H plus taken by R. This OH attach this R. Take this OH and H attaches to this O. It form ROH, two molecule of alcohol. When ether is simple, two alcohol molecule same. See here, dimethyl ether on acid hydrolysis gives two same molecule of methyl alcohol. When ether is mixed, then alcohol two formed are different. This example is of mixed ether. Ethyl, methyl ether on acid hydrolysis gives methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. Here this bond get breaks. CH3O take this hydrogen form CH3OH. C2H5 take this OH. Two different type of alcohols formed. This is the example of aromatic ether, methyl phenyl ether. Commonly it is known as an anisole. Very best example of aromatic ether. When acid hydrolyzed, it form phenol and methyl alcohol. Here this bond get breaks. H CH3OH and this OH attach here form the phenol. Next reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. When ether react with PCl5, it form alkyl chloride. React with PCl5, react form alkyl chloride. When ether is mixed, two alkyl halide different. While when ether is simple, two alkyl chloride are same. Hence it is written as 2. Now see how the reaction take place. 2 chlorine from PCl5 attach here. This bond get break. R dash take Cl. This. Next. This R take 1 Cl. This. What is remaining? P. This O and 3 remaining chlorine form a POCl3. Phosphorus oxy trichloride. Same way this reaction take place. Next. Reaction with hot concentrated acid. Acid which is used hot concentrated? HI. When ethers react with HI, it form alcohol and alkyl iodide. This is a simple ether. ROH react with ROR, react with HI, form ROH plus RI. This alcohol formed when again react with HI, form alkyl iodide and water molecule. See the example of dimethyl ether. When react with HI, it form one molecule of alcohol, one molecule of methyl iodide. How this reaction take place? Bond get breaks here. H attach here. CH3OH. This CH3 take this I. This is form a methyl iodide. This alcohol, when we want to treat with more excess HI, again it form the methyl iodide and H2. We know the HX, this type, HI, HBr, HCl and HF. HF we not take. The order of reactivity is HI greater than HBr, HCl. Why? Because iodine is greater in the size. This bond easily get break. So reactivity of HI is greater.